guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your friend Sakshi, and if you're new here, I make fashion, dance, lifestyle and makeup videos. So stay tuned and please subscribe. For talking about today's video, it's part 2 for the lookbook series wherein I've created a few outfits for the quarantine period. Now in this one, I'm going to show you a few alternatives for jeans. Yes, please don't hate me. Talking about this one, I am a big lover of jeans, but क्या होता है कि डेली लाइफ में सिर्फ जीन्स ही पहनने में आती है एंड पूरी वार्डरोब ऐसी रखी रह जाती है except for jeans. So in this one, I'm going to show you and remind you that even you have such things, so you can just go out and wear. So I've kept a few things in my mind while picking up the alternatives. So first thing is it should be highly comfortable. सेकेंड कोई से भी सीजन में आप उसको पहन सकते हैं. और तीसरा कि जो लेंथ है उसका ध्यान रखिए कि शॉर्ट चीजें मैंने शॉर्ट स्कर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स नहीं इंक्लूड किए हैं बिकॉज जीन्स का ऑल्टरनेटिव चाहिए. सो दैट वेज या फर्दर अडू लेट्स डाइव इनटू द वीडियो.
So my first alternative is army colored culottes. The material is quite thick and it's got elastic waistband and the legs are pretty wide, so it is really comfortable. The overall look which comes wearing these culottes is pretty amazing and it excites me every time when I wear it. Moving on to the second one, I think it's called maxi skirt and it's got slits on both of the sides. It's got a waistband as well which looks really cute and it's worn from the sides. Moving on to the particular vibe of this particular dress, it's really flowy and you can wear it to markets, beaches or malls, wherever you want to really wear it. It is really fashionable, also practical at the same point of time, and I think I'm gonna wear it a lot more than other things. So moving on to the next one. Yes, you guessed it right, it's a long skirt and the color and the vibe of this long skirt, it's pretty amazing. I am kind of loving it with the black top and heels. It gives really a girly feel, and also the print over it, I think it's really going with the vibe. And yeah, I think I can really totally wear it again in the markets, and jutis or flats will also do with this particular long skirt, so do wear it. So yeah, the fourth one, first of all, hands down for the shade, guys. I am in love with this blush pink, how it looks with the black. Secondly, there are various types of these particular pants. The variety includes cigarette pants, topped paperback pants and the wide leg pants. I particularly like this one and I am really love with it because it's really comfortable and it looks really elegant. Also I can wear it in office sometimes if I want to, so it's a particular comfortable wear like that. Moving on to the next one, it's a cotton based pants. It's a perfect alternative to jeans for me. This particular one has got really nice waistline. Also if I wear it folding down the bottom, the ankle length, I can literally pull it off with any of my tops and I am sure that it will look equally nice with all of them. So yeah.
So that was it, guys. Let me know how was it useful, was it not? Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you like. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot and I'll see you very soon. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.